What does it take for a man to dream not just for himself but for a nation? Today we delve into the remarkable journey of a man who dared to dream big, Wicknell Chivhayo. From humble beginnings, Chivhayo has risen to prominence, carving out his path with a unique blend of determination, resilience, and sheer audacity. Born in Zimbabwe, Chivhayo's life was far from a bed of roses. He faced hardships and challenges, but they served as stepping stones, shaping him into the man he is today. He did not allow his circumstances to define him, but instead, he used them as fuel to drive him towards his dreams. Chivhayo climbed the ladder of success, one rung at a time. He ventured into the world of business and entrepreneurship, demonstrating a knack for seizing opportunities and transforming them into profitable ventures. His success in business propelled him into the limelight, but Chivhayo was not content with just making money. He had a higher calling. His dreams took a turn towards the extraordinary when he voiced his aspirations to impact his country on a grander scale. Royal blood flows through his veins, he proclaimed, hinting at his lofty ambitions. He saw himself as a potential leader, someone who could steer Zimbabwe towards a brighter future. Chivhayo's dreams transcend personal gain. They encompass the welfare and prosperity of Zimbabwe. He envisions a country where opportunities are abundant, where the economy thrives, where every citizen can dream and achieve their dreams just like he did. His faith plays a significant role in his journey. He attributes his success to divine intervention, often stating, "God is the greatest." His belief strengthens his resolve, fuels his dreams, and keeps him grounded. As we conclude our journey with Wicknell Chivhayo, we see a man who dreams not just for himself, but for his nation. His ambition to lead Zimbabwe reflects his dedication to his country and its people. In the end, Chivhayo's story is a testament to the power of dreams. It is a tale of a man who dared to dream big, to aspire and to strive for greatness. His journey serves as an inspiration for all, a reminder that no dream is too big and no dreamer too small. And so, as Chivhayo continues to dream, he reminds us all that the journey is just as important as the destination. His story is not just about the heights he has reached, but also about the path he has taken to get there. And that, dear listeners, is the essence of dreaming.